Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which state government launched the Shram Mitra digital employment mobile app to connect laborers and employers across the state in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. Which pharmaceutical company launched India's first approved drug for Alzheimer's disease, donanemab, in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Eli Lilly. In May 2026, who was appointed as the next ambassador of India to the Sultanate of Oman by the Ministry of External Affairs? Correct answer is option B, Prashant Pais. Which city hosted the 21st session of the United Nations Forum on Forests in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, New York. Which country signed an agreement with India in May 2026 to store up to 30 million barrels of crude oil in India's strategic petroleum reserve? Correct answer is option C, United Arab Emirates. What rank did India secure in the Henley Passport Index 2026 released in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, 78th rank. Which television series won the Best Drama Series award at the British Academy Television Awards 2026? Right answer is option B, Code of Silence. On which date is World Hypertension Day observed every year? Right answer is option D, May 17th. Who became the Indian Air Force's first female Category A qualified flying instructor in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Squadron Leader Sanya. Which international airport received approval for India's first driverless air train project in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. In May 2026, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated India's second multi lane free flow barrier free toll system in which city? Correct answer is option B, Delhi. Who won the men's singles title at the Italian Open 2026 tennis tournament? Correct answer is option A, Jannik Sinner. Which state government launched India's first dedicated cabinet level artificial intelligence portfolio in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. On which date is International Day for Biological Diversity observed in 2026? Right answer is option C, May 22nd. Who is the author of the book titled All Time Favorite Friendship Stories published by Penguin Random House? Correct answer is option B, Ruskin Bond. What was the code name of the terror conspiracy uncovered by the National Investigation Agency in connection with the Red Fort car bomb blast case? Correct answer is option B, Operation Heavenly Hind. Which state or union territory established India's first anti narcotics task force police station to dismantle drug networks in May 2026? Right answer is option A, Delhi. Which European country will manufacture India's first indigenous AI powered autonomous combat aircraft, Kal Bhairava, under Operation 777? Right answer is option D, Portugal. Who became Iraq's youngest prime minister in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Ali Falih Kadim. Who assumed charge as the chief executive officer of the Unique Identification Authority of India in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Saurabh Vijay. Who won the International Booker Prize 2026 for the novel Taiwan Travelogue? Right answer is option B, Yang Shong-so and Ling King. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of the Royal Norwegian Order of Merit, the highest civilian honor of which country? Correct answer is option A, Norway. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the highest honor of which country? The Royal Order of the Polar Star. Right answer is option B, Sweden. India's first satellite tagged Ganges soft shell turtle was released in which national park? Right answer is option B, Kaziranga National Park. In May 2026, from which location did scientists drill and discover Earth's oldest continuous record of trapped atmospheric air? Right answer is option A, Allen Hills, Antarctica. In May 2026, in which city did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh lay the foundation stone for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program facility? Right answer is option C, Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. Which country assumed the chair of the Common Criteria Development Board for the 2026-2028 term in May 2026? Right answer is option B, India. In May 2026, Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired the 26th Central Zonal Council meeting in which city? Right answer is option C, Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. UNESCO recognized Kumbhalgarh Fort of which state as having the world's second longest living wall? Right answer is option C, Rajasthan. Which city will host India's first private sector marine gas turbine repair, overhaul, and development facility? Right answer is option D, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. India signed a memorandum of understanding with which country in May 2026 for ISRO's upcoming Venus orbiter mission? Right answer is option B, Sweden. Where was the first indigenously designed and built next generation offshore patrol vessel Sangamitra launched for the Indian Navy in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Kolkata, West Bengal. Which union ministry launched the Ayush Grant Portal in May 2026 to digitize and streamline the grant management process? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Ayush. In which state was the community centric cultural festival Nimapara Patha Utsav 2026 inaugurated in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Odisha. India and which other country officially declared the year 2027 as the Year of Culture and Tourism? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Where is the multinational military exercise Pragati 2026 involving 13 countries being held in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Umroi, Meghalaya. In May 2026, where did Union Health Minister JP Nadda participate in the 79th World Health Assembly? Correct answer is option C, Geneva, Switzerland. In May 2026, in which city did External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar inaugurate the Zero to Infinity exhibition showcasing ancient Indian science and mathematical knowledge? Right answer is option A, New York, USA. In May 2026, which country signed an agreement with India to accelerate the implementation of the Gujarat Kalpasar project? Right answer is option C, Netherlands. who was elected unopposed as the Speaker of the 18th West Bengal Legislative Assembly in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rathindra Bose. In May 2026, where was the 400-year-old traditional Panjat festival celebrated? Right answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Who became the new president of the South Asian Weightlifting Federation in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Sahdev Yadav. What new name has the global medical community adopted for polycystic ovary syndrome in May 2026? Right answer is option B, polyendocrine metabolic ovarian syndrome. How many total medals did the Indian Wushu team win at the 11th Sanda World Cup 2026 held in Macau, China in May 2026? Right answer is option C, 5 medals. India's first semi high speed double line rail project will provide connectivity between Dholera and which city? Right answer is option A, Ahmedabad. On which date is International Museum Day celebrated every year? Right answer is option D, May 18th. Which state government has announced the establishment of the country's first human elephant conflict research center? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. India's first hydrogen powered shuttle bus service was launched by the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation in which city? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. In May 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the prestigious Agricola Medal, the highest honor of which United Nations agency in Rome, Italy? Correct answer is option B, Food and Agriculture Organization. In May 2026, under which section of the Indian Forest Act 1927 did the Delhi government declare the central ridge area of Delhi as a reserved forest? Correct answer is option B, section 20. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.